Making a mayonnaise, sometimes it's challenging. We're going to show you how to make the perfect mayonnaise at home. Welcome to Food Treasure. So we got 300 ml of vegetable oil. Make sure there's no flavor. Got some salt, pepper, 3 whole egg. We got some Dijon mustard. You can use any mustard. And we got a lime, half lime. So we are making today in a blender, a food processor. But you can do it with your whisk as well. The whisk one would be a little bit harder, but you can make it. I'm going to show you how to make it in this food processor today. We're going to crack this 3 egg. Make sure there's no cells. Some people use just a yolk. Well, I'm going to show you today with the whole egg. So there will be the difference between the yolk and then whole egg. When you use the whole egg, so there is a egg white as well. The egg white will make a bit sweeter. So I got 3 eggs here. So basically, I'm just gonna put 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. I'm gonna start blender. So the first 2-3 minutes is a crucial time for when you make the mayonnaise. So once you turn on the blender, just gotta drop the oil very slowly. Now we can add the vegetable oil. You can see it's getting thicker. As you can see, this is really nice creamy mayonnaise. So now we can add our lime into it, get all the juice out of it. And I got a little bit of salt, crack some pepper. And as you can see, nice and thick the mayonnaise. I'm going to transfer this one into the bowl. They look delicious and creamy. Make sure you don't forget to stir in the fridge. Thank you.